You know, when you look at the e-learning space right now, it feels like a total gold rush. Everyone's launching a course.
Oh, absolutely.
But here's the thing. The brutal truth is, if you launch an online course today, you are, for all intents and purposes, invisible.
It's harsh, but it's true. It really doesn't matter if you have the best curriculum on the planet.
Right.
You're not just competing with other schools. You're in this losing battle against, the massive aggregators, your Coursera's, your Udemy's.
The ones with basically infinite marketing budgets.
Exactly.
So today we're doing a deep dive into the survival manual for the little guys. We've got a great stack of insights from Samyak Online. They're a digital agency that's been in the education trenches for like 20 years.
A long time.
And the big headline here, the old SEO playbook, keyword stuffing, backlinks, it's on life support.
It's being replaced by something much, much smarter and, frankly, a lot more complex.
So it's not just about matching text anymore.
No, we used to optimize for keywords. Now you have to optimize for intent.
Okay, let's dig into that. The source material highlights this massive problem.
Yeah.
Great courses getting lost. Why is that even happening? Is the algorithm just broken?
It's not broken. It's just incredibly crowded. I mean, if you try to rank for a super generic term like MBA or
Python course,
yeah, you will lose every time. The aggregators own those keywords.
Okay.
But Samyak points out that real students, actual people, they don't search like that anymore.
Right. Nobody sits down and just types business. They're typing, what is the best virtual MBA with live classes for working parents?
Exactly. That's a long tail query. And that is where the big aggregators actually fail.
Oh, interesting.
They go broad. The opportunity for a niche platform is to go incredibly deep. You have to be the one that answers that very specific, complex question.
Okay, but how do you even scale that? I mean, the notes mention two big concepts, AI SEO and LLM SEO. And I have to be honest, I thought those were just buzzwords for the same thing.
They sound similar for sure, but they do very different jobs. Think of AI SEO as the machinery.
The machinery?
Yeah, it's using machine learning tools to automate all the grunt work, finding those keyword gaps, mapping out trends, just keeping up with what people are searching for.
Okay, so that's the back end, the efficiency side of things.
Well,
What's LLM SEO then?
LLM SEO is the strategy. It stands for Large Language Model SEO. And here's the key. You are no longer optimizing your content just for a standard Google crawler.
Wait, who are you optimizing for?
You're optimizing it to be read and understood by AI, like ChatGPT or Google's own AI overviews.
So,
Yeah.
wait, we're writing for robots now.
In a way, yes. But here's the twist. To please these robots, you actually have to write more like a human.
How does that work?
Well, LLMs completely ignore keyword stuffing. They want conversational, topic-rich context. They want to see a direct answer to a natural-sounding question so they can pull it right into those people also ask boxes.
That is fascinating. So if I sound like a robotic marketer, the AI ignores me. But if I sound like a helpful person, the AI promotes me.
Precisely. And this leads right into the next big concept they talk about, which is entity-based SEO.
Okay.
It sounds a bit technical, but it's absolute critical for e-learning.
To me, entities just sounds like keywords with a new coat of paint, a rebranding.
It's fundamentally different, though. A keyword is just a string of text. An entity is a thing. It's a concept with defined relationships.
Give me an example.
Okay, so to a modern search engine, Professor Smith isn't just two random words anymore.
Right.
It's an entity that's connected to Biology 101, another entity, the course, and University X, the institution.
Ah, okay, so you're building a whole map of data, not just a list of words.
Yes, you structure your data so the engine understands the context. That's how you get those rich snippets, the little boxes at the top of search that show the price, the star rating, the instructor before you even click.
Okay, so we've got conversational AI content, we have structured entities, but there's a serious reality check in the notes here. A case study about a client, Jamie Nakach. What happened there?
This was kind of the eat your vegetables moment of the report.
Uh-oh.
So Yami had a Joomla site with great content, but the site structure was a total mess. Samyak Online spent 5 months just fixing the technical foundations, site speed, schema markup, crawlability, the basics.
5 months. Wow, that's a long time to be doing the unglamorous stuff while everyone else is playing with shiny AI tools.
But it worked. They moved all the site's health scores into the green zone. And the lesson is really simple. You cannot build a skyscraper on a swamp.
Right.
If your technical foundation is rotten, no amount of fancy LLM optimization is going to save you. The search engines won't even bother crawling your site.
So let's pull all this together. The game has really moved from just matching keywords
To answering questions.
We need that solid technical health,
Mm-hmm.
structured data for entities, and content that speaks the language of AI, which, it turns out, is just natural human language.
That's the summary, yeah. We're moving from search engines to answer engines.
Which leaves us with a pretty provocative thought for anyone listening today. When you look at your own website, your own content, ask yourself this: is it structured to be the answer, or is it still just trying to be a result? Thanks for listening to The Deep Dive.